So this is a video avatar of Brian Cox, aka Logan Roy, that I created with the program DID. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it.
Device, and they came up to me and they said, "Mr. Cox, can you please tell us to f*** off?"
So I'm in DID. The first thing I'm going to do is go down here to where it says create a presenter. You can see some of the requirements for optimized results. My first step is to upload the photo of Brian Cox that I want to use. Okay, here is the photo. I think it meets all of the requirements. Now what I can do is type a script over here and then choose a voice. But the thing is, I want this video avatar to sound exactly like Brian Cox, or Logan Roy, I guess. So I'm going to go over here and choose this option that says upload your own voice. So what I was able to do is to isolate this audio clip of Brian Cox talking. I exported the file as an audio file, and now let me go ahead and upload that audio file into DID. Here it is. Let's go ahead and take a listen.
I don't know if it was something that was meant as a theme, but...
Okay, so I think that's good. I have my avatar. I have the audio that I was able to upload. Now let me go ahead and generate this video. All right, it looks like my video is finished. Let me go ahead and preview this.
I don't know if it was something that was meant as a theme, but it's become something, I mean, people ask me to tell them to f*** off all the time. And this was the first time it happened. There was a young couple there. I mean, she was about 7.
Now, of course, once this is finished, I have the option to share to a number of different social channels or share it as a link. I can also download the MP4 file and I can upload this to Instagram or TikTok or wherever else I would like. So while this may not look 100% lifelike, I still think it's good enough for you to find creative ways to use this feature from DID. You can check it out right now at d-id.com. There is a free trial that you can explore. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them in the comments section below.